Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday essentials in a simple, straightforward way. Today, we're tackling how to use an EBT card at the grocery store in 2025. If you're relying on EBT for your food benefits, this guide will make your shopping trips smoother and more efficient. First off, what's an EBT card? It's your electronic benefits transfer card, basically a debit card loaded with funds from programs like SNAP to help with groceries. By 2025, expect some cool updates, like enhanced mobile apps for easier management and contactless payment options. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Before you head out, check your EBT balance. In 2025, you can do this quickly through a dedicated app on your smartphone. Just log in with your account details for a real-time update. This way, you'll know exactly how much you have to spend. Step 2. Hit the grocery store and shop smart. Remember, EBT covers eligible items like fruits, veggies, dairy, and meat, but not hot foods, alcohol, or non-food items. Double-check the store's policy, as some might have self-checkout stations integrated with EBT by now. Step 3. At the checkout, separate your EBT-eligible items from any other purchases. This keeps things clear and avoids any hiccups. When it's time to pay, hand over your EBT card to the cashier or use the contactless reader if available. Step 4. Enter your PIN on the keypad. Keep it secure and never share it with anyone. The system will process the payment, deducting only the amount for eligible items. If there's an error, like insufficient funds, the cashier can help troubleshoot. Step 5. Once approved, grab your receipt, which will detail your transaction for your records. And that's it, you're good to go. A few quick tips. Always update your contact info with your benefits program for any 2025 enhancements, like notifications for low balances. If you're shopping online, some stores now allow EBT payments through their apps, but verify availability first. Using your EBT card is all about empowerment and making healthy choices. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical tips. See you next time.